Hello students, welcome back. Hope you all have done the question given to you in the previous class. Now taking the table student as base, we will be learning today how to handle queries. But before that, we should know what is query. Query is a request for data or information from a single or multiple tables of a database. The clause which is used to display or retrieve the required data is select. Now, let's start to learn how to handle queries. Retrieving all columns of a table. It means when we want to see the entire data of the table, that is known as retrieving all columns of a table. Command select star from table name, that is student, is used. The data here which you are viewing is the same data which was asked to you to enter in the table student in previous class. Now if we want to view only a single column of this table, the command will be given as select roll number. Roll number is the name of the column which you want to see. From student, student is the name of the table again. The result will be this, where it is showing only the roll numbers of the students from the table student. Now retrieving a multiple columns, but not all. Select name, roll number. Here name and roll number are the two columns which we want to be displayed from the table student. The sequence in which the name of the columns are written in the select command, they will be displayed in the same manner. Now is eliminating duplicate values. Eliminating duplicate values means we are not going to delete the duplicate values, that is data from the table, but it will be eliminated from the display. See the example. Here I have given the command select marks 1 from student. The marks 1 column is displayed where 93 value is repeated. On the other hand, I have added a word distinct before marks. The result is this. Here you can notice 93 is shown only one time, but it is not deleted from the table. Arithmetic operations with select command. Arithmetic operations are that operations which can be performed only with the numeric data types, and this we use to see the what if situations. The arithmetic operators which can be used are plus, minus, divide, multiply and percentage. This percentage is known as modulus, which is used to calculate the remainder. Now, I want you people to try these commands and observe the result by yourself, one by one. Every time you execute the command, you will get a different result, and that result is based on the calculation done on the original marks which you have entered using insert command. But in the last column, you will observe that marks 1 column has been named as marks obtained, and that also is for display only. It is not changed in the table's structure. In the next class, we will continue this.